I'm here to tell you about my new product. So this is the Skinbolic and the Galvania tool. So they come together. You can buy this separately. You can't buy this separately. So they come together, and you can use this with other eye creams. So if you run out of this and you weren't a big fan of it, you can use the shiitake eye gel. You can use your eye cream, whatever you have. I'm not a big fan of heavy eye creams. This is not heavy. My shiitake eye gel isn't heavy at all. It's a gel and it does hydrate, lighten, tighten, and brighten. This will also help to tighten up. It'll help brighten. It helps with depuffing. And well, both of these things together, the tool has a lot to do with it as well. So you try this, see if you like it. It works really nice. It does help a lot. But during the day, I just want to let you know, because it is more emollient, it could eat away your makeup a little bit, quicker. So if you start blinking, my shiitake eye gel won't do it at all, but this, because it has more emollients, every time you blink, it could start, removing some of your mascara and, affecting your under eye makeup. So try it out first. Don't use it before a special occasion for the first time and wonder why your makeup was, smudging all over. You can also add a little powder and that'll help prevent it too. So let's show you how to use it. So this, you just take off. They like to promote it really big as you don't have to dab it on with your fingers, which I think is just silly, because when you put it on here and you dab it on, you have to go on both times. It just makes it a very uneven application, or maybe they just want you to use more. So you can do this. I'm gonna show you this first, but I think you can just put it on with your fingers and that's fine. So the way this works, you have to touch the silver part, and then when you touch your face, it'll activate. I don't know if you can hear that. If you don't touch that, there is no on and off. So it's not making any noise. So you have to do that. So you're part of the conduction part of it, how it works, the galvanic current. So when you do that, it works. When you work on someone else, you have to touch them and do this. It obviously is going to work for me because it's on me, but if I'm doing somebody else, I just have to make contact with them in order for it to work. So let's get back to this. So I'm just going to squirt a little bit. I'm just going to squirt a little bit on top of here. So this should be enough for both eyes, and it's going to start right away. So I'm just going to dab a little bit and dab a little bit. See, that's what I don't like. It's making it a very uneven application, but whichever way, it's not a big deal. Like, you can just do that. Just bring that down. So now you just go around your eyes. You don't go on the eyelids, but you do go above, all over there, all the way around in that inner corner. And you can do this for up to 10 minutes. You can do it for up to 10 minutes. You don't want to do more than that. You can go in the inner corner, all the way around. And you could also go in between your eyes. You can go on the nasolabial fold. You can go around your lips. So you can go all around, because it's going to help minimize some lines. It's going to help to depuff and just tighten up. So you can go in other areas, but this is actually made for the eyes. It's small. You can fit it right underneath, right into that inner pocket. So it works really well. It really does. I'm really impressed by what it does. My clients also, when I use it on them, I don't tell them, like in the beginning, I just said, you tell me what you think. And they were like, oh, wow. They're like, it tightened up a lot. I'm like, I know, it does work pretty quickly. So I'm sure it works more over time, like every day when you do it. But when you first use it, you will feel a little bit of a difference. So nothing so dramatic, but you'll feel it. So that's it. That's the new tool. This is how you use it. And it's really great. It's really great, very versatile. You can use it different areas. And so simple. It's simple and effective. So that's it. My naked face. You had to stare at me the whole time with no makeup on, so sorry. But I love it. The Galvania and the Skinbolic. So it comes together. And when you run out of the cream, you could purchase this again by itself. You just can't get this by itself. And you can use this with other eye creams. I use it with my shiitake eye gel as well. So this is the Galvania set. It's available now.